should enjoy the whole year. Okay, with your school also. We should pray to God that again our school will be opened and also will come to school. Okay, beta. Today I will start your textbook. Class 1 text. Open Sundari. Page number 80. Sundari. Page number 80. Please enjoy the story and also I will tell the meaning. Open at page number 80. Happy New Year, beta. Everybody, Happy New Year. Who are in the class? Let me see. Ovirup Datta, Abhranil Chaudhary, Aditya Mondal, Adrija Kole, Ahana Ghosh, Alokendu Bishwas, Swarnarino Pali, and Aritru Garai, Aritru Shet. Okay, beta. So, please enjoy the story. Sundari. Sundari was a big, red, white, and blue kite. So Sundari was a big red, white and blue kite. When Bobby met her, she smiled at him. So here, do you know the kite? Here, so many kites are there. I think you have got the project also about kite. And now it's the time to fly the kite, no? So Sundari was a big red, white and blue kite. When Bobby made her, she smiled at him. You are beautiful and I will call you Sundari, he said. So if I am asking that, who is Sundari? Sundari is a kite made by Bobby. One day, Bobby took Sundari to the fair. The band was playing and everyone was smiling. Merry-go-round was playing a happy little tune. It was carrying lot of boys and girls round and round on its wooden animals. So I think everybody knows that what is merry-go-round and what is that boys, girls and they are wooden animals, everybody fair. And fair, you know, that now this winter time, this time is little bit different. Besides that also, that always we should go to the fair zoo in this winter time. There are so many fairs also in our Bardwan. But now this year I think some fairs are not there. But also winter time we used to go to the fair. So here, one day, Bobby took Sundari to the fair. Band was playing. Band means the musical band. So many instruments they are playing. And everyone was smiling because why the music is going on? Merry-go-round was playing with a happy little tune. It was carrying lots of boys and girls round and round on wooden animals. Sometimes the horse is there, there's some chariots are there. Also, they are just making round and round for that, carrying so many peoples. What happened, Aradha? Any problem? Please write to me if you are having any problem, beta. Okay. So Bobby looked for an open space when he could run and fly his kite. Fly his kite. Sundari looked too. Out in the grass ran Bobby, holding up his kite as high as he could. Puff! The wind came alone. Sundari started to fly up, but she could not go very high. A little dog was holding her long tail. You can see the picture also in your book. So one dog, actually Sundari has one big nice tail. So Sundari, when he wants to fly, that a little dog was holding on to her long tail. It was in his mouth. It was in his mouth. Bobby shooed the dog away. Shoot means just he told to leave. Actually, dog we cannot tell. Just we are making some noise. We'll try again, Bobby said. This time Sundari leaped up in the air. Leaped means jumped. She tugged hard. Oh, how she wanted Bobby to let go of her string. String means that thread. She gave a big tug. Bobby had to let her go. Wee, cried Sundari. Now I can fly as high as high I please. And away she went. She flew up in the air. So here, some word you have learnt. Please read, okay? Because reading is very important. So here Sundari was a big red, white, blue kite. So this color you should know. When Bobby made her, she smiled at him. I am just telling, you know that, besides that also meaning some little 3-4 meaning I will just write. Smiled. S-M-I-L-E-D. We can write laugh. E-D, so here also laughed. You are beautiful and I will call you Sundari. That beautiful, no, you know the meaning. Beautiful means also very nice. The band was playing to everyone was smiling. And merry-go-round was playing happy little tune. Tune means also one type of music. It was carrying lots of boys, girls round and round on its wooden animals. Wooden means made of wood. Made of wood. Beautiful, I told you, that nice. Tune also is musical. Tune we can tell, it is not, it is a music also. That holding up the kite on in the grass, and Bobby looked for an open space. Space mean also place. S-P-A-C-E. Place. And where he could run. The wind came alone. Sundari started to fly up, but she could not go very high. Little dog was holding on her long tail. It was in his mouth. You cannot. Oh, I have already written the very big beta. Smiled, S-M-I-L-E-D. Laughed, L-A-U-G-H-E-D. Wooden, W-O-O-D-E-N. Made, M-A-D-E. Made of wood. And space, place. Only 3 meanings I have written. And after that, we can write the leaped. L-E-A-P-E-D. P-E-D, leaped means jumped. Okay, jumped. Leaped in the air, she tugged hard. She tugged hard. Now she wanted to Bobby the tug. Okay, tug means also that actually it is just taking very long. Okay, old also we can tell that. She tugged hard. Oh, how she wanted to Bobby to let her go to string. String means thread. String. String, thread. And also that Bobby had to let her go. Tugged means also pulled. We can write T-U-G-G-E-D, pulled. Actually, she tugged, pulled. Another any meaning if you don't know, you can tell me, I will tell that. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 meaning and spelling we can write. Okay. So here, Sundari is a very big kite. Big, red, white and blue. Who made it? Bobby. And where did Bobby take it? Bobby took Sundari to the fair. Okay. So, number 3, just I am discussing that story, whatever we have read. That who made it? Bobby made it. Where did he take it? Bobby took it to the fair. What did Bobby see in the fair? Bobby saw the band was playing and a merry-go-round also was there. So many boys and girls, they are also enjoying the fair. So fair, what are the things in the fair? Merry-go-round was there, band was there, so many children also there. They are enjoying, they are playing with the merry-go-round. They are also riding the merry-go-round because they are riding merry-go-round on the animals' back, wooden animals' back. After that, what did Bobby do? Bobby searched one open space. There, Bobby took it, his Sundari, and there he was trying to fly it. At first, he could not because one small dog, he was just holding Bobby's Sundari's tail. But after that Bobby tried it and Sundari flew as high as she can. So this is the story of Sundari. Please read once. If you cannot read again, next day I will read, and also that ma'am will write the question answer. Let me see who has joined next time. Ovidu, Fabronil, Aditya, Adrij Goswami, Adrija Kole, Adrija Kole, Adrij Goswami, Ahana Ghosh, Olokendu, Annorindo, Aradha Nandi, Aritro Ganguli, Aritro Gorai, Aritro Set, Aritri Pramanik, Arushi Sarkar. Okay. So if you are having any problem, please write to me. Thank you, beta. Have a nice day. Okay, Aritra, I know that. Aritri. Okay, beta. Okay, no, you can give to the P. Okay, very good. Only P you can give. Good morning, Happy New Year, and also wish you a very good year this time. Thank you, beta. Bye.